Muchal Balaji, counseling psychologist. Welcome to Inning Thoughts. I am like a bird. I only fly away. I don't know where my soul is. I don't know where my home is. This proverb is most correctly relating to a person who is a famous ornithologist and naturalist. He is none other than Salim Ali. He dedicated entire his life for studying birds in India as well as in abroad. He is called Birdman of India. He was born in Mumbai. Tragically, when he was 1 year old, his father died. When he was 3 years old, his mother passed away. He was brought up by his maternal uncle. He missed the parents' love and affection in the childhood. Maybe made his love towards birds. When he was 10 years old, an incident happened. A bird was shot. It was not an ordinary bird, yellow throated bird. It attracted his attention and created excitement in him to study about birds and wildlife. It made him a bird lover. With his experience and research, he has written a book called Book of Indian Birds, in which he described about birds and species and their habits and behavior. He has a lot of experience in India as well as in other country. With the help of other friend, he has written 10 volumes, a handbook of birds of India and Pakistan by describing 2000 species, their appearance, breeding habits and migration and etc. He travelled to every corner of India on foot to study about different birds in different areas. First time he has conducted systematic survey of birds in different states and regions. The seasons of nature made him improve the passion to study the birds which came from Pakistan, Afghanistan and neighboring countries. The birds came from their countries to escape from the bitter cold in winter season. It is noticed punctuality in deserted birds. They have remarkable time sense. They come to river for drinking water in the morning around 9 o'clock. They stay over there for half an hour. Later, they dispatch away from there. They don't seem till next morning. He travelled around 70 kilometers on the back of the camel to study flamingo birds, which are recorded 250 species. They migrated from Siberia. He argued that the natural bird sanctuary is necessary for the birds if they find there is adequate food, protection and nesting. They come over there. It is found very interesting and remarkable thing in waving birds. Waving birds are very clever because they can build nests beautifully. Among waving birds, male is an architect. It builds nests beautifully, thickly, nicely. So it became a nest builder. Fortunately, his wife passed away. She supported his passion for studying birds. For overcoming his grief, he spent maximum time with birds by working, looking. He was never alone in the company of birds. For his lifelong contribution for wildlife conservation, many awards came on his way. He is recognized as a leading ornithologist in the world. He is the first person, British citizen, who received gold medal from British Ornithology Union. He donated an international award money of 5 lakhs to the National History Society. For his lifelong service for wildlife conservation, the Indian government honored him with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan respectively. He was awarded two honorary doctorate degrees. He was nominated to Rajya Sabha as a MP. With total his experience and research, he has written his autobiography, The Fall of a Sparrow. The genuine and honest man passed away at the age of 90 with prostate cancer. He is a real hero to many people. Salute the real hero, the Birdman of India. Jai Hind.